Nice.
Okay, master. Let's kill the whole beach.
NANI?! Hey, fool. It's casual food, there's no way. I don't even care. I don't even care about winning, dog, cause it's casual. And these fools are retarded, fool. These fools.
Tell me about it. Yo, we be playing with some fucking retards.
And it has some stupid ass names too, like Soviet Blobfish. What the fuck is that, dude? Yo, Nutella. Smoke the hostage right now, dude.
10 seconds
Right
remaining.
now.
Down
Dude,
to
you
5
won't.
seconds.
You fucking won't.
Stop. Prepare to engage. Hostage was KIA.
Toma.
What the fuck? Hey, Did I just hear a little fuck? Did I just hear a little fucking ass kid trying to talk shit? Hey yo, go get your mom's permission before playing the game. You sound like a little badass kid.
My dad works for you. Shut the fuck up.
He said, dumbasses. He sounded like a little badass nigga, dog. Hey yo, instead of playing the game, dog, get up, dog, go run. Do something, help yourself out, dog. Trust, fool, I've been there. Go fucking run, nigga.
Fool, you know what works? Jumping jacks, bro. Trust.
Hey, neta. Hey, stop eating chips too, you fucking fatso. Hey, yo, where's this little ass kid that was like, fucking retard? Hey, blast that fucking fuse, dog, fucking retard. Blast that fool in the head. Hey, yo, what's your fucking problem?
Cover me. Reloading.
Last operator standing.
So what's with soft and wet and moody blues?
It's our stands.
Need to locate the hostage.
Okay, well you're gonna have to explain more than that.
I can basically.
I see you've thought about this deeply.
I can basically hit rewind on the world and see everything that happened in a particular spot.
Okay, but why is it called Moody Blues?
Because it's my favorite band.
Okay, now you, Tony.
Soft and wet. 今お前から摩擦を奪った。オラオラオラオラオラオラオラ。
I stand.
Confirmed. The hostage
Yeah.
has been located. 10 seconds to go.
It shoots out bubbles. Treno Ace. His initial D.
様の拳など顔どにも効かんわい。お前はもう死んでいる。
He just snapped
Fucking
onto
idiot.
me.
Not a good idea,
Oh.
Jason.
Yakitori to
Whoa.
Four last operator standing.
Nice, you can get that flick shot, but that one looked a little sketch.
Why you bullying me?
Op 4
Hello, my friend. I don't know ever again after.
Oh my goodness.
Fuck you.
Oh, is that it? Jason, don't do this, Jason.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Don't tell me it's a Monty.
I killed Monty.
Oh, good. What is this rook doing? It's not time to roam.
Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Rook mine.
Roam a rook here. Was that really a keep calm thing I saw on your gun?
Yes.
How outdated are you?
2013, bro.
Hmm.
Yeah, boy. Me, pinche mamón.